I look like. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name is Taj. If you are new here, thank you for stopping by. Please do like, comment, and subscribe if you are interested in finding more videos of mine. And if you've been here before, thank you so much for supporting. I appreciate it so much. So today I'm just going to do a very simple, natural brown look. Doing a voiceover because there's a lot going on in the background. So, voiceover it is. Yeah. I want to show you guys something. I'm going to show you guys this little lip gloss that I'm making. I'm going to put them on the shop when I get the formula right. They're the size of my pinky, so I think I'm going to send them as bundles. So 2 for like $3 to $4 possibly. But when I get that underway, those will be up. But so far, they're pretty like nourishing, which I like. But I think I want just a little bit more gloss to them. So I'm going to keep playing around. Anyways, I'm going to go in with my makeup brush, this cute little makeup brush that I got as a gift. And I'm going to use my e.l.f. Cream Contour Palette, which I love. And I'm just going to conceal, brighten, heighten, and enlighten the parts of my face that I think need it. So now I'm going in with my The Ordinary foundation, and it's, whoa, spewing out everywhere, which is nice. Anyways, I really like this foundation. I think it gives it a good amount of coverage, and I think it matches my skin. So I just put that all over my face, mon visage, and yeah. I was using a beauty blender, but I didn't dampen this beauty blender. What I did was I just sprayed my setting spray on there, and I feel like that really works. It gives like a nice coverage, and it like makes it so the foundation really sticks to the skin and doesn't like look so cakey. Yeah. So now I'll go back in with the e.l.f. Cream Contour Palette and, snatch the nose and whatnot, snatch it up. Also be going with the same palette, and I'm just going to do the contour of my cheeks and my forehead and my jawline. So I use the darkest shade, and I just press that in with a nice dense brush, and I just like kind of do that to like warm up my face and kind of give me the illusion of me being skinny and snatched. So that's how I fake being skinny with the contour palette. I'm pretty sure we all do that, right? Anyways, I'm going to go in. I'm going to do a slight baking. I know. I've heard 1,000 times baking isn't good. But I'm just going to put this in the places where I feel like I want it to be a little brighter. Especially when I'm taking pictures and such. And this is going to also make my cheekbones kind of pop out a lot more and make me look skinnier. I went in with my eyeshadow palette. I like using eyeshadow as blush. I think it works just fine. I'm going to use the shade, I think it's Amber. It's like a dark burgundy shade with like little oranges, but it looks flawless. Flawless as a blush. I love it. It kind of gives me MAC chili vibes. Yeah, I'm not like a makeup connoisseur, but I do have some makeup. So you know what I mean? Anyways, into the eye look, which is what we're doing. We're doing like a nice soft brown. So I'm warming up the lid actually with a cooler tone cream shade. And I'm kind of putting that on the base of the lid on top of the white concealer. And then that's going to be kind of like what I'm using as my base. I think it gave like a nice, cute color. It gave almost like a coffee color, which was nice. Like a nice coffee color with like lots of milk. Anyways. Going in with, I forgot what the shade is, but it's one of my favorites. I think it's Daybreak. I'm just going to be blending Daybreak, and then probably another brown shade onto the lid, just to kind of give it some dynamic. And then we're going to go in with the lips for the final look. So just a little bit of mascara, no falsies today, but if you do want falsies, you can always check that out on our website in the description box below, for sure. And I'm just going to add some of the gloss to the brown liner that we were using from the Barbie Brown palette. And then yeah, that's it. That's the final look, you guys, and I hope you like it. Catch you on the next video.